Right, we're coming into our $35 a night hotel room in Surat Thani, and I first said, is that the bed? Well, no. You turn around the corner and there's the bed. Here's the TV. There's your coffee and tea and your safe and your robes at $35. And oh, this bathroom door is a bit heavy, but there's the shower and the toilet and the sink. And let's see the lovely view. Oh, turned on the lights.
He's got the light bar across the top of the headboard. Nothing but light.
Oh, lights there. And
Pretty trippy light bulbs.
I guess the view of another building
The
outside
darkness.
in the street. But there's this other door, and you come out here, and here's a little balcony. So that's what you get for $35 at the B2 Premier Hotel in Surat Thani.